Jeez, this is a big piece of chicken. What the hell? Look at this breast. This is bigger than my boob.
Have you planned to go to the gym after work but forgot your gym clothes? There's no point having a bunch of tasks ticked off your list if you're not happy.
So the ingredients you will need is just and breadcrumbs.
Plus things change and they will change for you. When I was 18, I lived in a 2-bedroom apartment for $220 a fortnight, had no internet, and I called my boyfriend on the landline.
If you divide that by 4 servings, that's less than $5 a meal.
And skilled workers are crazy important. Where would we be without electricians and plumbers?
Now this is not going to look pretty, it's just not.